Welcome to the Dota 2 5 vs 5 AI competition video tutorial. I am Jose Font, and in this video I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to follow in order to get everything correctly set up and running to prepare your entry for this competition. So the first thing you have to do is to get to this website through the COG 2021 website and go down to the tutorials that we have at the end of this landing page. The first one that we are going to go through is setting all app. Here you have a bit of information of how this framework works. Basically, framework is going to run in parallel as the game is running, so that both the framework and the game will be communicating with each other, getting information from every game state and sending the commands produced by your bot back to the game. To set it all up, you should follow these steps to get all components ready. The first thing that you need is to download and install Dota 2 the game for free from the Steam's website. So click here and get to the Steam website for Dota 2 and install the Steam application in the case that you still don't have it in your computer. Once that you have that, go to your Steam app, locate the game Dota 2, and make sure that you have the workshop tools installed together with the game. You do that by right-clicking on Dota 2, then get into Properties, and under DLC, make sure that the Dota 2 Workshops Tools DLC option is clicked in this list. Otherwise, check it and the download and installation will start after it. At this point, you already have the game and the workshop tools installed together with it. So next, you need to download the framework, and the framework has two components. The first one is the Python framework that you can download from the GitHub repository by downloading it completely as a zip file and placing it anywhere in your PC. The second one is the Lua add-on, and you do the same thing. Go to its GitHub repository and download it fully as a zip file and place it wherever in your local hard drive. Once that you have both components downloaded and uncompressed, go to the second one located in your hard drive and copy all the files in it into the local installation folder for Dota 2. In my case, this is the uncompressed downloaded file. I select all its content and I copy it into my local Dota 2 installation folder. And finally, I'm gonna need to install any Python environment of my choice, which in my case, it's Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, it's a code editor that's free to use and that can be downloaded and installed from its own website. Now that you have all components downloaded and installed, it's time for you to run your own bot. First, you can start by running the included bot example.py that you can find inside the Python framework. So go to your code editor and then run the bot example using this command line at the bottom, and it will stay running on the background waiting for the match to get started. So in the meantime, copy this command and run it from the vconsole command line, and this will start up a new Dota 2 match where your bot will take over controlling the 5 heroes in the Radiant team. You don't have to do anything on the character selection screen because everything happens automatically. All your listed heroes show up and the bot has already control over them. And that's it. Now it's time for you to prepare your own entry for the competition. Make sure that you go through the other 2 tutorials on our website, and looking forward to your submitted bot. See you at the competition on COG 2021.